eyes, you look away when you pretend not to care. I like the dimples on the corners of the smile that you wear.
Good morning, class. Welcome back to our online program from American Bridge International School with teacher again. How are you doing, everyone? Okay, I hope all you guys are doing fine. Okay, everyone, did you have breakfast already? Wow, great job. Did you wash your face, comb your hair, and brush your teeth already? Wow, that's why today you look great. Okay, good. So everyone, today is Wednesday, and what is the month, everyone? The month is July, the date is 29, and the year is 2020. Okay, so every Wednesday, in the first session, we always study about jungle phonics 3. Okay, so everyone, today we gonna start the new lesson. It's about Unit 4. Okay, everyone, who can tell me how many sounds of Unit 4? Who knows? Tell me, please. Okay, that's correct. There are 3 sounds. Okay. Before I tell you that what is the sound about, please review the lesson with teacher first, and then we go to our Unit 4, right? Okay, good. So now look at our whiteboard and read with teacher together. Okay, all right. Review. Story. Dane and Jane ride a bike. Dane and Jane ride a bike. They ride up the hill. They ride up the hill. They see a kite. They see a kite. The kite is in the pine. The kite is in the pine. The kite has a long line. The kite has a long line. The kite has 9 legs. The kite has 9 legs. Dane and Jane like the bike and the kite. Dane and Jane like the bike and the kite. Okay, great job, everyone. So now please read by yourself. Good. Correct. Great. Good job. All right. Great job, everyone. Wow, you can read all these sentences well, right? Okay, because you already learned, that's why you can read, right? Okay, good job. So now we will continue our new lesson with the new unit. Okay, now look at our whiteboard and read the new lesson with teacher together. Okay, all right, good. Wednesday, July 29, 2020. Jungle phonics 3. Unit 4. Sound I'm. One more time. Listen carefully, everyone. I'm. Okay, so in Unit 4, we learn 3 sounds. It's about sound. Number 1, sound I've. Number 2, sound I'm. Number 3, sound I've. Okay, great. New lesson, sound I've. So for today, we learn only 1 sound. It's about sound I've. Okay, great. Sound I've. 1, dive. 2, hive. 4, five. One more time. Dive. Hive. 5. Okay, great job. So now repeat after me louder, please. Dive. Okay, hive. Alright, 5. Okay, great job. So this is the picture of dive. So dive, here a boy jump. Yes, jump into the water. So this is mean dive. Okay, hive. Yes, hive. This is the hive. We can say the shelter of the bees. That bee can stay inside the hive. Okay, and this is, yes, everyone know, right? Number 5. Okay, so this is 5. Okay, great job. So now please read and spell with teacher together. Dive, D-I-V-E, dive. Hive, H-I-V-E, hive. F-I-V-E, 5. Okay, great job. So everyone, dive, we combine with letter D with the sound with, yes, sound I, become the dive. Okay, great. And here letter H with H sound, we combine with I. So hive. Hive. Great. And yes, number 5 with letter F with the sound F. Okay, with, yes, and combined with sound I become 5. Okay, number 5. Okay, dive, hive, 5. Okay, great job. So now I will take out the, yes, sticker and ask you one by one. Okay, you ready? Wait me. Okay, what is this, everyone? Yes, hive. Okay, everyone spell hive, please. Wow, great job. Hive, H-I-V-E, hive. Okay, alright. And one more. What is it, everyone? Yes, dive. Okay, spell dive, please. Excellent. Okay, dive, D-I-V-E, dive. Okay, and one more, everyone. Yes, the last one is 5. Okay, 5. Spell 5, please. Okay, great job. 5. F-I-V-E. 5. Wow, excellent, everyone. Okay, again, so today we study about sound. Sound, yes, sound I. So how many words of the sound I that we learn, everyone? Yes, 3 words. The first one is dive. The second one is hive. And the last one is 5. Okay, great job, everyone. So our first session on Wednesday is finished. See you guys in the second session with art class. Okay, everyone. Bye-bye.